Hello everyone, it's me again, Aleha. Today, we're going to have a short demonstration on how to construct a DIAC and a TRIAC AC power controller or a lampshade with dimmer. But before we get into that, let's have first the introduction of the components to be used. Starting with 2A104 100 nanofarad 100 volts polyester capacitor, it is composed of metal plates with polyester film between, or metallized film is deposited on the insulator. They have high temperature coefficient, they have high isolation resistances, so they are good choice capacitor for coupling and or storage applications. Compared with most other types, polyester capacitor have high capacitance per unit volume. This means more capacitance can fit into a physically smaller capacitor. TRIAC, or triode for AC, is the semiconductor device widely used in power control and switching application. It finds application in switching, phase control, chopper designs, brilliance control in lamps, speed control in fans, motor, and etc. DB3 DIAC is a full-wave or bidirectional semiconductor switch that can be turned on in both forward and reverse polarities. The DIAC is an electronic component that is widely used to assist even triggering of a TRIAC when used in AC switches, and as a result, they are often found in light dimmers such as those used in domestic lighting. Potentiometer 500 kiloohms with knob is a manually adjustable variable resistor with 3 terminals. 2 terminals are connected to both ends of a resistive element, and the third terminal connects to a sliding contact called a wiper, moving over the resistive element. The position of the wiper determines the output voltage of the potentiometer. Male plug. A male connector is a connector attached to a wire, cable, or piece of hardware having one or more exposed unshielded electrical terminals constructed in such a way that it can be inserted snugly into a receptacle or the female connector to ensure a reliable physical and electrical connection. Lamp receptacle is a device which mechanically supports and provides electrical connections for a compatible electric lamp. Sockets allow lamps to be safely and conveniently replaced. LED or light emitting diode. It works when all electrical current passes through a microchip which illuminates the tiny light sources we call LEDs, and the result is a visible light. Resistor 10 kiloohms. Its main function in a circuit is to control the flow of the current to other components. Like an LED light, if too much current flows through an LED, it can be destroyed, so a resistor is used to limit the current. Flat wire AWG number 18 are used for low voltage lighting and lamp cords in 10 amps. Heatsink is a passive heat exchange that transfers the heat generated by an electronic or a mechanical device to a fluid medium, often air or a liquid coolant, where it is dissipated away from the device, thereby allowing regulation of the device's temperature. PCB board mechanically supports and electrically connects electronic components using conductive tracks, pads, and other features etched from one or more sheet layers of copper laminated onto and or between sheet layer of a non-conductive substrate. Components are generally soldered into the PCB to both electrically connect and mechanically fasten them to it. So now we're ready to construct our device using this circuit connection. But to ensure that we can get it right, let's try this first on a breadboard and then transfer it to the PCB board. Please watch till the end, guys.